Namaste children, it is my sixth video lecture of Maths for class 7. Today's topic is rational numbers between two given rational numbers. You know that you cannot find as many integers between two given integers. For example, we cannot find 10 integers between 2 and 5. We can find only 3 and 4, two integers between 2 and 5, but we can find many rational numbers between 2 and 5. Understood? There are two methods to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Formula method and second method is same denominator method. According to formula method, if a and b are two rational numbers, then we can find many rational numbers q1, q2, q3 in between a and b as follows. q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b, that is average of a and b will give first rational number between a and b, half into a plus b. Second rational number is half into a plus q1. A plus q1 will give second rational number between a and b. Third rational number will be q1 plus b by 2. This gives third. Similarly, we can find a plus q2 by 2, q2 plus q1 by 2, q1 plus q3 by 2. So we can find many rational numbers between a and b by using this method. Second method is same denominator method. According to this method, firstly convert the denominator of both the rational numbers into the same denominator by taking LCM. Now, if there is a number between rational numbers between them, for example, we can find two rational numbers between 8 by 10 and 13 by 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 10, 11 by 10. In second step, if there is no number between their numerator, then multiply their numerator and denominator by suitable number like 5, 10, 20, 100 to get rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Find a rational number between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Suppose we have to find a rational number between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So a rational number between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 is equal to half into 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 is equal to 31 by 400, 31 by 40. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So firstly we have to find LCM of 3 and 5. This is equal to 15. Or 2 by 3 can be written as 2 by 3 into 5 by 5, that is 10 by 15. Or 3 by 5 can be written as 9 by 15. There is no rational number between 10 and 9. So multiply both the rational numbers, numerator and denominators of both the rational numbers by 10. So they will be equal to 100 by 150 and 90 by 150. Now we can write 5 integers between 100 and 90. 99, 98, 97, 96, 91, 94. We can easily write 5 rational numbers between 100 by 150 and 90 by 150 is equal to 99 by 150, 98 by 150, 97 by. By this method, we can find many rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Thank you.